And welcome back to the second part of the billing system tutorial. Okay, what we're going to do is to take care of this exit button and the sum up. The other four, add, record, save, next record and previous record, those are all using what is known as macros, so those are fine. So let me go back to my design view. The first thing I want to do is, I think I need to enhance the text on these buttons. So let's go to the properties and just come right down here. See, oh, I cannot even do it here. Format and change that to black. You see that? So that is taken care of. And I have a strong feeling this is not black as well. Alright, okay, now let's take care of this itself. So in design, I can then go to the code. It's not there, so let's look for exit. There we go. So what I'll do is I'm going to declare as follows: dim, let's say q exit, as there is a data type known as VB message MSG box, no, G box result. So that's the one I'm going to be using right there. Okay, so that's supposed to be VB, right? Okay, that's the right one. So VB MSG box result. So let's say q exit equals message box MSG box and that will be confirm if you want to exit, comma, let's enter VB question plus VB yes no, comma, let's just call that billing system. That's the title of mine, and close that bracket. Now let's use an if statement. If q exit equals VB yes, then do command dot close AC form dot close AC form, comma, me dot name. There, then we just say and if. So that should take care of the exits. Have a good look at those lines of codes. You can always just enter this line, but I would like it to prompt the user to confirm if they want to exit. So if I run it and click on that, click on the exit, let's say, okay, no, and we press yes. There we go. Alright, save. Okay, then I'm going to have to save everything, so let me save before I try it again. Yes, that's fine. Okay, let's go back in there and back into our design. So that is taken care of. All that is left for us to do now is we need to take care of this very one, total. That's very important. This very one, maybe we should rearrange it. I think this one should come here while this goes there. Now the first thing is, I think I'm going to have to declare some variables. So let's go back into my code view. So view code, and right up there, that's the dim items as, let me go for 12 as double. There's one other thing I noticed. I have 10, 12 here. That should have been 10. So I'm just going to change it to 10. But I meant to change this right from the database itself here. Now that's no problem though. Double click on that and just change it. Okay, right here. There. Okay, that's change to 10. I think close this first. Close this. Yeah. Okay, open this up. Design. And let's change it now. Okay. Save. Alright, and open this, that's fine. Okay, it's changed itself, that's fine. So if I come in here, everything is changed, that's fine. Okay, back in our code view here, let me declare another variable. I'm going to call it tax underscore rate. That's double. Okay, now right in here, select the property, go to the code view right here, not that, I want the code view. Close this. Okay, try it out again. Go to the design and select code. Alright, let's come in here and just select sum. I think it's known as sum. Yeah, there we go. So right inside sum up, I have all of those. I think it's called item 0. Let's find out. It's called items. Item 0 equals, I think that will be copied. Right, that is item 0. It is copied. We should have copied there. No, that is it right here. There's an underscore here. That's wrong. Okay. Alright, let's just copy that. That's my first one. There. Okay, the second one is item 1. That is, I think that is fabric. Fabric there. Yeah. Oh, fabric has it as well. And item 2, that's the blind. Let's look for blind. There we go. The blind seems to be okay. No, blind has it too. copy that and just paste that here. Right here. Alright. Now, what else do we need? Let's come in here. We need 1, 2. We need those 2 there. Here they do have a name. Okay. Alright. So let's look for home delivery and mileage. Back in the code. Home delivery and mileage. Let's copy. So that will be array number 3 and number 4. Home delivery. Home delivery. Right here. And we need mileage. One more. Mileage right here. So when you guys are naming yours, be careful so that you don't run into this kind of problem. Alright. So that is all done. So let's come in here now and say items. Let's see, item 5 equals, we need to add these 3 together. This item 0 plus item 1 plus item 2. So that's going to be 1, 1 and 2. Okay, but here we actually need to multiply this, multiply that by what is the cost of, that's 25, 25, 15 and 10. Multiply by 25, multiply by 15 and multiply by 10. Yeah. Okay. Now we need this inside. We actually need it inside cost of order, cost of item. Alright, back in there, let's look for cost of item. Alright, that's no problem, that's fine. Cost of item. Cost of item equals item 5. There. Now what else do we need? We have cost of item. Okay. Standard cost of delivery and mileage. So let's look for standard cost of delivery and mileage. Back in the code. We now need standard cost of delivery. That's the delivery, home delivery. So that will be item 6 equals whatever it pays, cost of delivery. Home delivery. Okay, it's only £8, so that's fine then. Home delivery multiply by whatever we have in here. What do we have in here? Home delivery is item 3. Multiply by item 3, and we don't want that inside standard delivery. standard delivery equals item 6, items 6, and this should be items with an S. Right. Okay, we only have one more left, and the last one, that should be mileage. So let's go for items 7 equals mileage times 2 multiplied by 2. Okay. Mileage and whatever is inside mileage, okay, which is right here, multiply that by 2, and that goes in this very one here. Cost of delivery per mile. Cost of delivery per mile. Let's look for that. Cost of delivery per mile. Okay, then come down here. Equals this. Right. Okay, all that is left for us to do is to try out this code. Let's come in here and just run it and see. Alright, try a new one. Let's say add new records, to enter some value in there. And click on sum up. There we go. Right, and we can also save this. Okay, but it's not going to display all of the data. Okay, you see that, because I haven't completed the total and so on. Alright, that's fine, it's working the way I want. Okay, that's one good thing about Access, because you don't have to be filling in the table. You can always fill out all of your information on the form itself. Alright, now let's take care of these three. We add up these three, find the tax rate, subtotal, and total. So add all of these together will give us subtotal plus the tax will give us this. Okay, exit. Save that. Okay, back into, let's hope I've saved that code. Let's go back in there. No, not that. Here. Yeah, it's saved. So I need 5, 6, and 7. So that'll be item 8 equals item 5. Item 5 plus item 6 plus item 7. 6 and 7. So subtotal will be, that's the subtotal, sub underscore total equals item 8. And tax, that shouldn't be difficult. Tax equals item 8, items 8, multiply that by tax rate, and we divide that by 100. But the problem is we don't have tax rate yet. Let's make up our tax rate right up here. Tax rate equals, let's say 0.001. 35. That's our tax rate taken care of. I believe that's the name. Yeah, tax rate. This one. Let's copy it just in case. Yeah, I'm right. Let's see. Yeah, that's correct. Undo that. Alright, that's taken care of. Now we now want total. I think, what is total called? Okay, it's called total underscore amount. Total underscore amount equals this. Copy this. Alright. Plus, let's say whatever is in here anyway. We can just copy this, or if that would be too long, we can always make that up again. Copy it. Just paste it in there. Paste it in a bracket there. So that should give us the total. So have a good look at those lines of code, guys. From here down here, that's our calculation. Seems we are almost at the end of this tutorial. So let's collapse that. Add new. Alright, 3, 4, maybe 2, 6, 3. Sum up. Look at that, guys. You see, it's given us the cost of everything. Okay, I think the tax seems to be a little bit too small. Alright, and you can always use the calculator to check everything out. So 55. Let's do that again. Plus 6, and that gives us this. Now if we add this to that, and that's what we get. Okay, let's say plus 0.6 now. So that's the whole purpose of this calculator, to validate your calculation. Alright, that is fine. But there's one thing. I would like to get rid of this ribbon. Let's see if we can do that. To get rid of this ribbon, let's go to, I think we have to do that inside the form load. Okay, let's come in here, open that form load, select the form, and let's come into, yep, select the form first. Yeah, form load right there. So I'm going to use do command dot show tab bar, and the tab bar I'm talking of is the ribbon, comma AC tax bar to no. If I want it to be yes, I'll click on something else to make it yes. Alright, so let's save that, come in here, close it, collapse that, run it and see how it look like. Okay, you see that? That's how my program looks like now. But the other thing is, everything seems to be right up there. Okay, I still like it though, but I can always just add a heading there. So let's do that. Okay, I'll take care of that by copying this. Let's just copy that and paste it right there, and in there we type in online shopping system. So let's highlight that and increase the font size. There guys. Okay, that's how it looks now. So I'm gonna run it. There we go. So with that guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe. Bye for now.